What's up everyone, how you guys are doing? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So how do you connect these bad boys multi-stations with this guy? Alright, so first thing what you gotta have to do, obviously you gotta have to power them up and then connect the LAN cable directly into your laptop or computer, whatever you're using, it's fine. And then give it the static IP. Configure the static IP for your Ethernet port, LAN port for the computer. And it's already, they have mentioned here what IP you should put on the manual. That's it right there. Once you have done that, you can access it, okay? And then what I want you to do is just basically configure the IP address to static for the main one. You can do whatever IP you want to, 192.168.110.10. This is what I have done. And the others stations should be on the same subnet mask. All right, and what setting you want to put on the main one, I'll show you now. First thing first, you gotta have to make it as bridge. Second, you gotta have to use it as an NVR base station. All right, as you can see there, it's NVR base station. If your main one is on CPE, it's not gonna see these other metro devices, these stations. All right, so make sure it's on NVR base station. Once you have done that, you can go to the wireless setting, do whatever you have to, turn on the security, put your passwords, you know, and SSIDs, and make sure it's not hidden. All right, once you have done that, everything is all set up on the main one. All right, and that's pretty much it. By the way, if you want to change the static the IP to static, go to network, click on static IP address, and you can put the static IP as you like. And wireless, this is your wireless settings basically. All right, and last but not least, that's pretty much it. That's all you gotta have to do. And work mode, make sure the main one is on NVR base station and the other ones are on camera CPE. All right, and now we're gonna click on add device. It's gonna scan. So as you can see, I have two powered on right now, and it's showing me both of them. You just gotta have to put the wireless password, whatever you have put in the wireless setting for those stations, and that's it. Voila, you're good to go. I'll show you an example now. I'm gonna add the device, click here, or I'm gonna do this one, okay, and the bridge device, and that's pretty much it. Clicking on selecting it and then clicking on bridge device. Make sure that you wait like a minute or so. Sometimes it just takes some time. I've got both of them, by the way. I still haven't configured this so I'm gonna do that. So make sure you wait for like a minute or so, and yeah, it will get connected to them. All right, just be patient, guys, come on. All right, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.